Hey, Chloe, did you run today? Chloe, we're going to go to the veterinarian for little baby Rhonda. There's Susie Badoozie. There's little baby Rhonda. Little baby Rhonda, we're going to clean you up. Little baby Rhonda has had poop stuck in her butt for the last week or so, and it just needs manual intervention. So we're just going to go to the veterinarian to get her taken care of. What do you say, little baby Rhonda? Good girls. So Sam, I know I emailed you. I just want to be sure, you know, there's a solid plan to, you know, getting the Quirk stuff to the social media people at some point, you know. So, you know, actually some of it is on my disk upstairs.
Okay.
A lot of it. So I don't think it's urgent, you know, and if we can just send them the edited stuff to let them know that we have raw footage that turned into this edited stuff, but
Okay.
you know, not until you know, that would be helpful to, and I know you have, you know, the links for that,
Mm-hmm.
and you have links for the images and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But, all right, you good?
Yeah.
All right.
I sent that thing next day air, and I'll get the tracking on it.
All right, I mean, just always be sensitive to the cost of it.
Okay.
You know, if you needed it next day, we should send it next day, but,
That's what Marshall had.
Oh,
He said overnight it.
okay, all right, just generally speaking, if he's not gonna open it until 3 days from now, we probably should have sent it, but
Okay.
I do wanna schedule time, and probably helpful to get you involved with Sean to sit down and say,
Okay.
okay, you know,
Yeah.
we still need to know what we're doing and stuff, but I you know, it's a process, and it'd be helpful to get you involved earlier
Yeah.
in that.
I feel like a lot of things are moving, and I'm just kind of part of it, but don't really know what's going on.
It'd be helpful to you should know.
Yeah.
I mean, because you know, it'd be helpful to Marshall, and it'd be helpful for you to learn,
Yeah.
you know, how a process starts, and
Yeah,
rather than just, you know, doing what you're told. Glad you didn't erase those discs. that gave everyone a chuckle. So you know, but yeah, if if you knew, you'd clearly, you know, be able to take the next steps and help Marshall.
Can you
So.
try to get them in the car?
All right, girls, let's go in the car.
As fast as I can.
All right. You want to go for a ride? Come on. Come on. Oh, this door down here can't open. Do you know that? Do you want me to do something about it, or? I mean, if you email me, I'll take care of it.
What car?
BMW.
Okay, then I need a towel. Ah, fucking A.
It's Margot's channel.
Well, then.
Ah!
remove
Sounds
the
like you're gonna
obstacle.
yell at me.
No, I'm gonna say remove the obstacle course.
All right.
So I just crashed my knee really badly.
I'm sorry.
And Chloe got stuck. Bradley's, come on, we're gonna be late if we don't get moving. Okay, Princess Chloe. Come on. Come on, you gotta get up. Up, up, good girl. All the way. Come on, sweetie. Chloe, you gotta get up. And Susie, I know you're a bit nervous here too. Come on. It's the Badoos!
I know the Badoos.
Hang on, little baby, on that towel.
Little baby Rhonda with the tushy problem.
A big smile.
She got a silly ass grin.
Beyond.
Yes, Rhonda is okay. We don't know why, but just she's got poopy butt. It's a condition.
Something's impacted.
Yeah.
That Kenny said one of his dogs had a major issue from one of these, so we're definitely right to take her to the vet.
Oh,
Take her to
really?
the vet, yeah.
So she just
His dog's straining prolapsed. like intestines.
It's
really
weird how it
bad.
happened out of nowhere.
Well,
And
she
Chloe,
had a little bit of
Chloe
issues Sunday.
decided she wanted to go for a little walk. And when she went for, I like LBR.
Little baby Ron.
Yeah. That picture I took of them when they were running.
That was incredible.
Oh my God! And the fact that she ran all the way, all the way back, and it was
I
crazy.
know. She was ahead of me.
She beat LBR.
I know she did.
She
Well,
was
she had a head start. But...
Oh, shh! Don't tell people that.
Oh, Scott.
But they were running, and I'm almost sorry I didn't get
I know.
in tandem. I'm sorry I didn't get video, but
Should go around.
the pictures were pretty
No, it
phenomenal.
was really cute.
And if I lighten up their faces, I mean, it's just, I get so many amazing pictures of her. Little LBR.
Princess Chloe.
I like the LBR. Because, she's not a little baby anymore. So, to call her a little baby. And I have to show him pictures of the puppy, which will be hard when I'm live streaming.
No, he needs to focus on Rhonda.
LBR?
LBR. There's the vet.
I know. That's why my
Well.
signal's on.
Yeah, but you're not in the turn lane.
Well, I wanted to pull a U-turn, that's why.
Okay, Susie and Chloe, you're gonna stay in the automobile while we bring Rhonda in for a repair.
LBR.
LBR needs a repair. Okay.
You girls behave.
I know. But she
What's that?
Susie either looks really silly or sad. She just she always does. She either looks totally goofy, silly.
Will you
or
weigh her,
sad.
please? I know we
There's
just did.
nothing in between. I'm sorry, what?
Weigh her. I just want to always get a weight.
Rhonda Bedonda? Come on. What, you got a friend in there? Yeah, they want to see how much you weigh. Up on the scale. Up on the scale. Come on.
LBR.
Come on, up on the scale. Whoa.
Can you change her chart to call her Little Baby Rhonda, aka LBR?
She's 54.
And make sure there's an exclamation point. How much she weigh?
54.
That's what she weighed before, I think.
I mean, everything's normal about her.
Yeah, she's got poopy issues. She hates it here, doesn't she?
Yesterday, I thought it was just in her hair, and I cleaned her up, and I was like, no big deal. Today, we saw it in action. You're like,
Hi, Scott.
that's not very
Oh.
pleasant. You better get used to having a puppy around.
Yeah.
Come on.
We're getting a puppy, Scott.
You tell him that every time, but this time.
I know. This time it's true, though, I think.
When's it coming?
The 20th, or maybe the 16th, actually.
Sometime between the 15th and the 21st of February.
What color?
White.
White, pure white.
Okay, let's take your leash off. Oh, no, you don't get to come up here.
Jesus, what's she doing?
She's hiding.
She does not. Her poop is just not coming out all the way. That's it.
So,
and it's happened.
Sunday, well, here, why don't I explain?
Go ahead.
So Sunday she struggled a little, but then she ended up pooping normally. Yesterday she had it all over her. I thought it was just caught in her hair. I cleaned her up. Everything was fine. Today we saw her,
She
and
couldn't
she was
push it out.
squatting and.
She's not squatting all the way properly.
I
Maybe that's
lifted
it.
the poop bag, pulled part of it. So there's something hard in there. Like what's coming out is kind of mushy, but there's something.
That's all we know.
Impacting it, because like when I cleaned her up, like I can feel something. Yesterday I cut some of the hair out, thinking it was just caught in the hair, but it's more.
And our groomers is laid up, so
Yeah, but
it
Scott, she
might.
missed one haircut.
All right, well,
That's not gonna.
Oh, let's take a
Yeah,
look.
there's definitely
She
something.
eating okay?
She's eating. Everything's normal. And like I said, Sunday on the walk. Remember, because you were saying it wasn't coming out right. You kept pointing to me. Look, it's not coming out. But
Ah.
it did. She ultimately pooped and it was normal when I picked it up. So she's eating. She's playing. She's doing everything normally.
and she now goes by LBR.
As of 3 minutes ago, I just heard about it.
Little baby Rhonda. Exclamation point. She doesn't quite answer to it yet because I just
Because she
started.
and I just heard it a minute ago.
Yeah.
And you're believing
How are
that.
you? Oh, are you scared? It's okay.
Yeah. She and I already had a fun afternoon after you abandoned us at work. And I had to clean her up myself. She was not fun.
It sounds like it's softer than normal.
It is, but there's something in there that's harder than normal, I think, and so I don't know if the softer is what's going around the harder.
It's
Since
okay.
I've been in there more than I'd
It's
like to
okay.
be.
You're gonna have to pick her up. She's not gonna. Oh, maybe.
Come on up, good girl.
Good girl.
But she was trying, I mean, she was squatting, she was pushing really hard, and she just couldn't.
A lot of times when they're straining like that, there's inflammation in the colon.
And I didn't want her to go too much more. Because now I'm hearing horror stories from people when I got back to work, and I'm like, oh, that happened in my time, and the intestines came out.
Oh, do we have a book, Laura? Can we please bring one and leave it in the waiting room here for
We
them?
can, if you can remind me when we're somewhere other than here. At the office where I have boxes of them, I
Okay.
don't carry them.
How's that going? You guys selling a lot of them?
Yeah, they're doing well.
It's sold out 3 times, and they just not stocking enough.
They're
of them.
stocked now. And
Yes.
I've stocked them.
And you heard what I'm doing.
Yeah, I heard.
Yeah.
Where do you have the box?
Amazon and our website.
I'm gonna cut some of the hair off back.
Yeah, absolutely. I did what I could yesterday. Today, when I was by myself, I didn't want to pull the scissors out too. Yesterday was helpful because Scott had her head.
So Lisa, she just says impacted poopy or
Well, we
something.
don't know.
We don't know. So.
She's got a mess in there.
But that looks like fun. Someone just had inflamed anal gland with Sadie.
It's fascinating.
Is that a likely cause of this sort of situation?
But I don't think so.
How you been, Scott?
I'm good.
How's your pup?
I'm doing well. Actually, today is my Frankie's 16th day.
Wow. He's twice as old as you are.
This is definitely dried over Amos, which,
Glad we came.
Yeah. I knew we needed to when I saw her. And when my cheerleading didn't work.
Yeah, so someone was saying that they can learn from this experience. So I guess if we're giving some tips, if your dog after a couple days in a row is having a difficult time pooping, don't assume it's going to work itself out. Bring her to we'll know soon enough that either your groomer or in our case our vet. I don't know. Is this a grooming issue or a vet issue or
I
both?
haven't decided yet.
Okay.
But yesterday we didn't know, because yesterday she was out on the walk and she just had poop on her. I thought it was in her hair. And I cleaned, or actually no, she had gone out the doggy door. Because remember I said I saw
Yeah, and then
in the
again,
laundry, because I
oh.
cleaned up the laundry room where she came back in. 'Cause it
It's
got on
freezing
her
out.
too.
Been outside much?
No, I
Your
haven't
lug
been
is
outside.
horrible.
Oh, don't, why are you growling at that puppy out there? That's the one who was just in here.
It's a friendly puppy.
You better get used to
Oh,
puppies.
they're-
I just moved here from Thailand.
Oh, really? How do you get a dog here from Thailand?
She said it wasn't very hard. They were there on vacation, went to this rescue place. There were 600 dogs.
Oh my God.
That was a litter.
That would make me crazy.
Arranged to get it back here.
Well, I mean, Gina and Bob got Egypt back from Egypt.
I just can't imagine what that's.
Forever
Her temperature's normal.
That's-
So Sally, we don't think she's constipated. We just think that there might be an impaction or something where Scott's about to tell
We'll
us.
find out.
Yeah.
Can't keep my mouth shut so I don't put the
Exactly.
foot in there.
All I know is
What
she
would I
came
call?
normally
Oh, I
on
called
Sunday.
up. I'll let you listen. So I called up and make an appointment. I said, "Can you squeeze us in?" No pun intended. She didn't get the joke. But when I did call to find out how much the eyeballectomy was, and said that you were running a special for the third eyeball free, I think they belly laughed out there. Apparently, your rates for eyeballectomy are pretty reasonable.
Oh, good.
Hopefully we're finished with those.
Yeah, people were comparing. I mean, sometimes they charge $5,000, and
Wow.
yeah.
You better kick it up a bit.
No,
Yeah, seriously.
some were less. Some, you know, you were not the cheapest.
5,000. Wow.
That seems like rip off. You know, I don't know. You know, maybe is it more if it's a little dog? Is it small? No, it should be the same. You said it was one of the hardest things you've done. Just
I
the
don't like
group.
Yeah,
The
that's
gruesome
good. I
nature of
think
it all.
it's creepy.
Ugh, I can't even
Surgeries
think
you
about it.
do.
Actually, I have to do one tomorrow.
Oh, really? I'm sorry. Is it the second eye or the first?
First.
If it turns into a second, they need some help. We'd be happy to, give them, pointers on what it takes.
Okay, look at Susie. She does look pathetic.
Oh, Susie.
Cool little car you're driving out there.
Isn't that cool?
What year is that?
Take a guess.
72.
4. Very close though.
Yep.
It's got 72 bumpers on it, so I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Yeah, your vet fees, for living in a fancy place, I've been, informing people, I think you're pretty reasonable, although Margot sure did add up.
You shouldn't be telling me that.
Yeah, seriously, what's wrong with you?
All right.
Are you guys doing that stem cell stuff?
That's fascinating. We ran into Sadie, who's a 3-legged poodle, 12
She's
years
12
old,
12 and a half.
incredibly strong.
Karsten did it on her because she had so much degeneration in her spine, or it was starting, I guess, because of the 3 legs. And
So,
she looks amazing.
Oh, yeah, well,
Yeah.
just quite a bit of mucus there, so that
Okay.
is inflammation in the
Yeah.
colon. She's
Okay.
not constipated. I'm gonna if you go over here.
Okay. You don't need a close up of that.
No. Stinky. Are you okay, little baby Rhonda?
She will
LBR.
be perfectly
LBR for short. We also would like her nose extended. She's got a short nose.
I like her short nose. Susie's is too long.
We can make it shorter.
Put him in between.
No.
I think a large part of her problem is just some colitis, and then it's soft enough to where it's matting in her fur, and she's
Yeah.
making it hard for her to go to the bathroom, but there's nothing obstructing her.
Well, that's
or
good.
anything.
Because I think probably the hardest stuff I was feeling was
Skin.
the matted in her fur. I pulled out what I could, but
Yeah, this
And I
is
wasn't sure what I was
mommy
doing.
duty.
I've got most of it.
No pun intended. I'm just.
seriously.
I got most of the hair cleaned off back there, so it should be.
Okay.
Susie, you look so pathetical.
Is Chloe just snoozing in the back, not even working?
Yeah.
Yeah, she didn't really want to come. She was crashed at work.
I'm gonna clip that a little closer and get closer.
Okay. Yeah, what I did with the kitchen scissors yesterday was not terribly much, considering I was cleaning it up against the wall.
So Leonne's out of commission for a while, right?
Yeah.
What's she doing in work for you? Or?
Yeah, she follows along. I'm surprised she's not watching now. She seems fine.
It seems, I mean, 2 broken ankles is pretty bad.
That's got to be exhausting. I mean, just.
Well, she said she tried grooming at first from the wheelchair, and that was at the very beginning. She couldn't do it.
It might be good because I know she wants to think about cutting back, and she can get her helper to take over.
She's not trained to groom. I mean, she was able to bathe them and just do some cleaning.
Is
on
it
their
that
paws and
tough?
stuff. Yeah,
Grooming, I think, is a pretty physical
Yeah.
job. Yeah.
it is, and I think grooming a poodle to get them even, and I mean, I don't think it's that easy.
I would want to do it.
I have more trouble if I can brush them.
Okay.
All right,
Alrighty.
thank you, Scott.
I'm
So
running.
she'll be
So-
fine for, oh, you're
Well,
running a
he's gonna
test.
run the fecal.
I'm gonna put her on some Flagyl.
Okay.
Margot used to take Flagyl a lot.
So Debbie, she just had your
Colitis.
colitis. That's right.
Well, Rhonda, honey, you're going to be allowed to leave. I just would like to put your leash on before you run out into the street.
Tammy, she's interested in selling her business, so if you're interested in.
Are you working a
Yeah, I'm
grooming
working,
deal?
yeah,
Okay.
I'm brokering a
Let's
grooming
hear-
deal.
Let's go get
It's not
Rhonda's
terrible,
file.
what's terrible about that?
We just raised our exam fees.
Let me take a poll before you do that.
Initial average about 125.
What's that? What's the damage? What does this
I
cost?
think the exam just went up to 250.
No.
And the flash
People don't
is
expect you to
probably
have a sense of
great.
humor. That doesn't usually come with the TV show here.
Hey, Rhonda. Yeah, and we'll hope that your little sample comes back okay.
She had
If you
colitis.
want it on that other credit card, you have to give it to me, because if you carry my credit card.
Here, take your credit card.
You said you wanted it
I haven't been using. I don't know.
You can't remember the number.
Well, I don't know what the difference is. I mean, since I'm not using LSJ,
Well, then I can separate them, the others though.
then do that. That's
This
easier.
one's supposed to be LSJ.
All right.
They wrote on it.
Right. Well, I mean, if we can
Same
just
account, he's trying to
right,
separate
then just keep it and we'll just separate it monthly. What are you gonna do? How much is it?
It is gonna be.
Low
Hi,
numbers.
sweetheart. What are you doing?
Hey, Rhonda.
She had free laser yesterday because we're still using Margot's pen.
Oh, did she?
Well, because we're using Margot's.
Oh, Chloe
package.
did. Chloe did.
Chloe, not Rhonda. Yeah.
95
Can you go
and
outside?
19 cents.
That's too high. 95. The group doesn't like it. The group thinks it should be 94.
Rhonda thinks she should leave.
94. We give us a break. It's 95. All right, sold.
Can you hold her leash?
No, just let it down. She'll be
You
fine.
don't think she's trying to escape?
We're just gonna escape. She doesn't know how to open doors. She's not like her sister.
We'll just throw in a free rectal exam for you.
I'd pay for that. Hey Rhonda. Oh, you look at Rhonda rubbing her little tushy. She's not.
Yeah, she's like, I don't like this.
What do you got, Rhonda?
Apparently one of my mommy does it.
What do you say, Rhonda? Little baby Rhonda. Come here, little baby Rhonda. Yay.
Television.
Exactly.
What do you say, little baby Rhonda? Hi, Laura Nolo.
That hair is getting goofy. Look at her face. She's the only one whose face looks like, I mean, Chloe and Susie still look normal. Her face is getting very.
So oh, look at that. I imagine health insurance would cover stuff like this. Is that, do you,
Probably.
I mean, like,
Most of it
should we
is
get,
the cost of the visit.
No.
do you recommend health insurance?
Thank you.
And do you guys sell
We
it?
do
Or?
have, we don't sell it, but we do have like little booklets, like a insurance that we kind of gathered who we think's the best.
I've looked
and stuff.
into it in the past, it's just.
Susie opens
Not gonna
doors.
cover the stuff that we
She can easily
No,
open
I
that
think that
door.
most-
No, Chloe's his.
Hi, Cindy.
That's what we said.
Little baby Rhonda. Hey.
This comes up what? once a year,
LBR.
once a
LBR.
year, something like that.
Little baby
Oh,
Rhonda.
I see what you mean. She does have a fluffy.
Yeah, that's because you know Leanne the groomer broke both ankles.
That's what I heard.
Right,
So,
We're a little behind on hairdos.
All right, let's go.
The assistant can do baths and clean up, but can't do the full.
yeah.
Okay, here, let's go protect your tushy.
Oh.
Okay.
Happy
Thank
birthday.
you.
Bye-bye.
Come on, let's go.
Does she have her own YouTube channel already?
She should. Oh, Rhonda's gonna go on back. Good girl.
That's unusual.
That's nice. Okay, so we have to go to the post office first. And then we have to go to the grocery store so I can go bake brownies for our hotel guests, which after cleaning poop all afternoon is not exactly sounding wonderful.
Well, maybe you can make something other than brownies.
Well, since I'm allergic to chocolate anyway, I don't really care.
Give me a kiss, give me a kiss, give me a kiss, give me a kiss. Everyone likes LBR.
Would you like your... So here we have the book for the Onslow County Public Library.
Okay. So if you order a book, Laura will send you a book. Every day we're sending books out.
Hello, oh thank you, Susie Badoozy. I got a kiss from the Badoos.
Suze, can I have a kiss? Hi, P.
Hello, baby Rhonda.
Little baby Rhonda. Hey,
Donda.
there's a whole bunch of poodles back there. So I guess if we're going to give a lesson, we're going to move this to the YouTube channel and move informative videos there. So, you know, if your dog has impacted poo-poo, and unless you want to just constantly, you know, clean it up yourself, we recommend investing, in our case, $94.
Well, and it's not just the cleaning it up yourself. We wanted to make sure nothing was wrong.
Right.
That there was nothing impacted.
She just
inside.
wasn't happy, and she was embarrassed too. So
She was not.
Oh, yes, she was. Look, she's so
You
cute.
look
She looks so cute. I like this spot for you,
How
Rhonda.
about the little puppy face?
The fuzzy face.
LBR. You got to learn your new name, LBR.
Yeah, it's like the notorious RBG.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
You might be
could have been
named.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
The sun feels so good, you'd think it was nice out, and it's freezing.
It is not.
No, it's really cold.
So, Matt, I know you and Tammy are emailing me about the Sunday wrap-up. That sounds fine. And do you have any suggestions on Q&As and what we call go lives, spelled GAUX, that you want to help us schedule based upon people's interest? If they have questions, let us know for sure. You know that you could schedule it. You know, I think it's helpful for people to get used to a schedule on things. So, be careful.
Yeah, I just stepped on a sheet of ice.
All right.
It was really bad.
Everyone likes LBR. Are you okay? Are you happy now that you got your poopy fixed? So he's doing some testing, I think, to make sure that it's nothing more serious than he thought it might have been. So, but I think she seems happier. I can tell. I mean, you can imagine if you were a person and you had issues, you know, you can't make a proper poopy. You can't make a proper poopy. So she seems to be doing much better. I love old-fashioned chapstick. By the way, my seatbelt is kind of broken, so if anyone wants to criticize me for not wearing a seatbelt, they are completely right. It's a bad example, and I don't recommend it, and it's against the law, but it's a very old car, and like I said, we're getting it fixed. So... You always have a clipper on hand. We haven't needed a clipper. I don't know that it was just a clipper issue. Oh, I won't tell my deputy. Yes, please don't tell your... Worse yet, don't tell my deputy. Matt keeps chat. Yeah, I never used to need chapstick, but lately my lips are really, really chapped. Late in life, I don't go anywhere without it. I like to use different variations, but I tried Burt's Bees and a number of others. I think my favorite is chapstick, just because it smells and tastes like when I was a kid. You know, a lot of people say that, you know, the scents when you're a kid are strongest. So, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? So I'm gonna put this. You like the red chapstick best? What flavor is that? Is that cinnamon? I like the original flavor best, I think. Is that Chloe back there? So, hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Let me conference in Marshall, if that's okay. I'm gonna.
Yeah, no, that'll be the first thing I was gonna ask you anyway. So.
All right, hold on one second. I'm gonna say goodbye to this live stream I'm doing right now.